Prove that 3 to the power n is greater than 10n for all integers n greater or equal to 4. So we're going to use proof by induction here. Let's look at the smallest integer first, n equals 4. Well, the left-hand side is going to equal 3 to the 4, which is 81. The right-hand side is going to equal 10 times 4, which is 40. And 81 is greater than 40, so this checks out. N equals 4 is true, or true for n equals 4. I normally write n equals 4 as true. Right, assume true for n equals k. So we've shown that it works for the first one. We're going to assume it's then true for a particular one and show that it then follows that the next one is true. From that, we can kind of create this ripple effect or domino effect to show that it's true for all n greater or equal to 4. So therefore, we can say that 3 to the k is greater than 10k. We want to show that statement, I normally abbreviate, like miss words out, but statement is true for n equals k plus 1, i.e. we want to show that 3 to the k plus 1 is greater than 10 times k plus 1. Well, let's start with the left-hand side. 3 to the k plus 1 is equal to 3 times 3 to the k. But we know that 3 to the k is greater than 10k, so this must be greater than 3 times 10k. And by the way, this is 10k plus 10 over here. So I've actually got 30k, or maybe I could write it as 10k plus 20k. But 20k is definitely greater than 10 for n greater or equal to 4. So therefore, 3 to the k plus 1 must be greater than 10k plus 10, which is equal to 10k plus 1. So we've got the greater than bit, we've got the bit we need here, and we're actually done. That's all we need to do. We just need to write a conclusion now. So statement true for n equals 4. N equals k true implies n equals k plus 1 is true. So it works for the first one, and then any of them being true implies that the next one is true, which means that they're all true, because n equals 4 implies n equals 5, which implies n equals 6, and so on. Just say by principle of mathematical induction, three to the k plus 1, sorry, 3 to the n is greater than 10n for n greater or equal to 4.